Ang pagsusulat ng libro ay hindi basta-basta. Kailangang maging malikhain at magkaroon ng malawak na imahinasyon. Kilalanin natin si Odchayak Pacloy na isa sa mga manunulat mula sa Mountain Province. Bukod sa kilala ang Mountain Province bilang weaver's paradise dahil sa mayabong nitong kultura at tradisyon, tahanan din ito ng mga talento. Isa na rito ang manunulat na si Frances Elizabeth Pacloy Singlot mula Bontoc. Sa kanyang pen name na Odchayak Pacloy ay kanyang ibinabahagi sa mundo ng panitikan at larangan ng literature ang mga aktang kultural at social issues.
I research more on culture and things that I'd like to include in the book. So I feature those. This is more relaxing for me because it involves research. And that is what I'd like to include in my books.
Kabilang na sa mga isinulat ni Odchayak ang Siblaw Talaw na ibinase niya sa isang tradisyonal na kwento ng Bontoc at Parlig. Ito ay tungkol sa isang lalaki na umibig sa isang babaeng bituin.
So it's a story about a fallen star, not really a fallen star. It's a star, one of the 7 sisters who usually go to the lake to take a bath. And there was this young man from the community who hid the wings of the star. The star I named her Eta. And from one of the stories I've read about this Siblaw Talaw, the young man's name is Parka, so I adopted that name as well. And after hiding the wings, he eventually married the star.
Nagsimula si Odchayak bilang manunulat sa mga formal na lathalain. Kalaunan ay nadiskubre niya ang malikhaing pagsusulat.
Life led me to writing, and I discovered a website where I wrote or co-wrote, at least for a better a better term that I could use, co-wrote academic papers of international students. Yes, so that's where I fell in love with fiction.
Sa kanyang karanasan bilang isang manunulat, ang payo ni Odchayak sa mga nagnanais maging manunulat, dapat magbasa. Dahil sa pagbabasa, nakikita ang mga magkakaibang mundo na maaaring makapagbigay ng inspirasyon sa pagsusulat.
The most important thing for writers to do is to read, really, because it's in reading that we not only add to our vocabulary, but we also see different worlds in reading. Of course, it depends on what you want to write. Like, if you like to write fiction or nonfiction, still the primary thing that we need to do is to read.
Sa mga nagnanais makabili ng mga akda ni Odchayak, maaari siyang kontakin sa kanyang Facebook account na Odchayak Pacloy.